If your line work is messy, shaky, or lacks confidence, then this video is for you and will really help you see improvements in your art. Today, I'll show you the best line drawing exercises to improve your precision, control, and overall drawing quality. These are simple but instantly effective, and by the end, your sketches will look 10 times better. Let's get started. How you hold your pencil or pen makes a massive difference. There are 3 ways to grip it, and each one affects your control and movement. The first one is the writing grip. This is how most people naturally hold a pencil. Great for small details, but can limit fluidity for long strokes. The overhand grip, perfect for larger sweeping strokes and shading. It gives you more control with your entire arm. And then lastly, the underhand grip, mainly used for large drawings. This one keeps your hand loose and free. Try all 3 and see what feels natural. But for this line practice exercise, you'll want to focus on the overhand and writing grip for the best results. Let's break it down. Start with straight lines. Draw them slowly and deliberately. No rulers, just pure hand control. Next, curved lines. Try wide curves, tight curves, and everything in between. Add wavy lines. So this trains your hand to transition between curves smoothly. Vary your line pressure and speed. Experiment with light, soft, and quick strokes, and also bold ones. This will help your control and help you express different textures and emotions in your drawing. Focus on consistency. Aim for uniformity in your lines, but don't be afraid to let them have a bit of character. This works because it builds your hand-eye coordination, making your strokes cleaner and more confident. And remember, draw with your whole arm, not just your wrist. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and drop me a comment below. What's the hardest part about line work for you? Now, let's take it up a notch. Controlling line pressure is key to creating depth in your drawings. Press lightly for thin, delicate lines. Press harder for bold, confident strokes. Practice shifting pressure mid-line for gradient and tapered effect. Also, switch up the length of your lines, short, medium, long, to train your control of different scales. This helps you develop dynamic line work instead of stiff, lifeless strokes. And in a second, you'll learn a game-changing drill to take it even further. Let's refine precision with ghosting and repetition. Ghosting. Try hovering your pencil just 1 or 3 millimeters away from the paper and practice the motion 3 or 4 times before making the mark on the 5th stroke. This helps your hand and arm muscle memory warm up, preparing you for a smoother, more controlled line. On the 5th stroke, commit fully and draw with confidence. By building this pre-motion habit, you'll develop better accuracy and consistency in your lines. Repeat the lines. So draw a line once, then trace over it multiple times, aiming to stay as close as possible. This helps improve your muscle memory, making your line smoother and more confident. And here's my pro tip. Try drawing with your non-dominant hand occasionally. It challenges your control and boosts coordination in ways you wouldn't expect. This forces your brain to adapt, improving both precision and creative problem solving in your dominant hand. Practice all of these exercises for 5 to 10 minutes a day and you'll see major improvements fast. But this is just the beginning. To take your drawing even further, check out the next video on mastering sketching techniques.